News we've got coming in, more people quitting parties and changing lines. Former Congress spokesperson Rohan Gupta joining the BJP ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. You have a list of other people who've also quit. We'll just share these names with you. Jahanzeb Sirwal of the Jammu and Kashmir Congress. You have the Parampal Kaur, who's an IAS officer, and Gurpreet Singh Maluka of the Akali Dal. They've all joined the BJP today. So it's a list of people. Now, Rohan Gupta in particular has actually posted a statement that we'll share with you. But first, take a look at what he had to say.
देश में भारत देश में विचारधारा के दो मुख्य बिंदु है, एक राष्ट्रवाद की बात हो या एक सनातन धर्म के रिस्पेक्ट की बात हो। ये हर भारतीय के दिल में है। जब ये लगने लगा लास्ट 1.5 साल से कि दोनों मुद्दों पे जो पार्टी की मुख्य जो ओरिजिनल विचारधारा थी उससे बिल्कुल भटकने की बात चलेगी, लेफ्टिस्ट की तरफ चलेगी। हम भी प्रवक्ता थे, हम भी कई बार डिफेंड करते थे। आज मैं सैनिक था, करता था, पर मन से दुख होता था कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग। जो हमारे एक हैं जो थे कम्युनिटी जिनके नाम में राम है, वो सनातन के जब अपमान हो रहा था तो हमको यह कहा गया कि आप चुप रहिए। देश के नाम का एक गठबंधन बनाया गया, पर उसमें देश विरोधी ताकतों को जोड़ा क्या। जिस केजरीवाल जी को कांग्रेस पार्टी ने आज खालिस्तान के साथ जुड़े होने के आक्षेप किए, वो चुनाव का पूरा में इंचार्ज था पंजाब में। आज ऐसी क्या मजबूरी है कि आप उनके लिए लड़ रहे हैं, उनके भ्रष्टाचार के लिए।
Okay, let's go to our colleague Arun Dhanta to understand more on this. Arun, it's fascinating because the reasons we're seeing the Congress former spokesperson, now he's obviously joined the BJP, the reasons we're seeing him cite right now, these are similar to what we've heard, for example, Gaurav Vallabh, also a Congress spokesperson, say a few days ago. They're quoting the Sanatan Dharma issue. This is something we've seen a few leaders bring up. Just bring us context, because the others that have switched over, we're sharing a wider list with our audiences today. Are they citing similar reasons? Did we get bites from them too, reactions from them too?
Well, see, Toya, we all know Rohan Gupta had, good responsibilities when he was in Congress party. He was the IT cell head of the Congress party. In fact, most recently, he was given Lok Sabha ticket by Congress party in Gujarat. And also, of course, in the past, he had given various responsibility, like in war room head in Karnataka of the Congress party. So therefore, joining of Rohan Gupta in Bharatiya Janata Party, of course, it's a big blow for the Congress party. And as he said, line of the points have been very much same, as you rightly mentioned, of the Congress leaders who are joining Bharatiya Janata Party. Remember a few days back when Gaurav Vallabh joined, he said the same thing, that the insult of Sanatan Dharma is something which is not acceptable to him, and also, of course, to target Prime Minister Modi and those people who are, who are building the nation is something which he couldn't do. And again, Rohan Gupta today, when he joined Bharatiya Janata Party, he also spoke on the same line, that the insult of Sanatan Dharma, Congress party leaders were stopped from going to Ayodhya in that consecration ceremony of Sri Ram temple, and of course various other things which he said were happening in the party. And apart from that, two leaders from Punjab joined today. One, of course, making her political debut, Parampal Kaur, who is an IAS officer. He has resigned, and in fact today her resignation has been accepted. So she has joined Bharatiya Janata Party today. Perhaps she will be contesting the Lok Sabha election from Bhatinda. That's what we're given to understand. Remember, Bhatinda is a seat which has been represented by Sukhbir Badal's wife in the parliament. So, and there's another leader of the Congress party from Jammu and Kashmir. So these four people have joined Bharatiya Janata Party today, and we have seen that many leaders have been joining Bharatiya Janata Party's fold, and the BJP.
Okay, big